So for today's video, I'm gonna be guys sharing you my go-to summery dewy makeup look. And disclaimer guys, I'm no mean at good of putting makeup or like I'm not a professional of putting makeup on my face or something like that. So that's just a quick disclaimer. This is just how I do my face, or this is like my go-to makeup if ever I want to look like a little bit of extra, or if I'm going out this summer, or like if I really want to have like a photo shoot days, because I always do photo shoot but with my friends. So this is like my go-to look, and I'm so excited to be sharing this look guys to all of you. And yeah, this today is very sentimental because today is Saturday and this is the last day of having, or it's Sunday and I'm gonna be having braces. So this is the last day of looking like this without having braces, because after 2 years I'm gonna be having a brighter and smiler teeth. What smiler teeth? A perfect smile. Well guys, it's me, Princess in the future. I filmed this video way back in summer, so towards the beginning of June, for June 1st of June. So this video, I filmed this a long time ago. I'm just editing it now because I saw this clip on my laptop. So I don't have braces there. I'm just saying that this was pre-filmed before. So yeah, that's gonna be on this channel. So it's gonna be a lot of crazy memories, and I'm gonna bring it with you guys on that memory. And give this video a big thumbs up if you want me to do more of like makeup tutorials, even though I'm not good at putting makeup. So yeah guys, so without further ado guys, let's just get started. Wow, so many inside of our house. So yeah, if you hear if you hear like bird chirping and things like that, and my nephew's very naughty, that's probably it, because I'm outside and I'm in front of me is a beautiful old mango tree that my dad planted. So yeah. So guys, I'm making an intro for my YouTube channel, and look at these kids. Look at this, and I'm outside and I'm here. This is behind the scene of that. So okay. Well, hey guys, it's me from the present editing this video. And also guys, I'm such a terrible person because I forgot to put a concealer on my face, and I didn't even know that until I finished doing the makeup. And yeah, I'm such a fail. I'm so sorry guys. I didn't put any concealer, but if I put a concealer, I would just use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but I didn't put it, and I'm such a, I don't know what's in my mind when I'm filming that. Why I didn't put any concealer? Why? And here's me again. And yeah, I don't know if you could tell, but I really love that song. It's Sorry I Left by Janina Vela, feat Tony Pangilinan. And until now, it's already July, and I'm still obsessed with that song. Like, I'm really obsessed. Even my friends could really tell you guys that how much I really freaking love that song. When they say Sorry I Left. So yeah, even in summer, I still listen to that song until today. So yeah, and the music video came out yesterday, so guys, check it out. It was so amazing. So yeah, this is my complete makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Sorry if I'm not really good. I thought today's a good day to film, but I guess I didn't. So maybe I failed some of the things that I put on my face. Maybe I failed. I don't know. But I hope you guys like the video. And wow, it's gonna be raining. The sound of thunderstorm, I don't know if you hear that, but yeah, I'm so happy that I just finished it on time. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below any videos, ideas you want me to film, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything will gonna be linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah. Have a great weekend, everyone. Have a great day ahead.